When you buy a home, you probably have to pay transfer tax. Whether you do and what the amount is depends on several different factors. In this video, we'll tell you all you need to know about transfer tax. Hi, I'm Kimo and I'm from Expat Housing Network. We help internationals find a home and feel at home in the Netherlands. We've made a lot of videos and hopefully they're useful for you in the process of buying a home or renting a home. Governments want to make sure they benefit from the value increase of the property market as well. How do they do this? By charging transfer tax. Transfer tax is a tax that you pay over the purchase price of the property. Transfer tax does not apply to you if you're 34 years and younger and if you're buying a property up to 400,000 euros. However, if you're 35 or older, or if you're buying a property that's more than 400,000 euros, you will have to pay transfer tax. The transfer tax is equal to 2% of the purchase price. If you buy a property together with a partner, then it's good to know that you both will be paying transfer tax over the share of your property. Let me give an example. If you buy a property that's 400,000 euros and you're both eligible to pay transfer tax, then you pay 2% in total. However, if you have the same property and one of you has to pay transfer tax and the other one hasn't, then the person that pays transfer tax pays 2% over their share, which is half of that. The other person doesn't pay, so in total it would actually add up to 1% over the whole amount. The 2% transfer tax only applies for residential properties. What does that mean? Well, that's a property you buy to actually live in yourself. If you buy a property as an investment and you want to rent it out, you don't pay 2%, you pay 8% transfer tax. So please be mindful of that. When is the transfer tax due? The transfer tax is due at the end of the cycle. So when you're signing your property deal and you become your proud owner and you get the keys, that morning the transfer tax has to be in the account of the notary. Now you know whether you have to pay transfer tax and what the amount of transfer tax is. It might be useful to learn a little bit more about the purchase cost. Well, we've made a video specific around that topic. Just click on a link in the upper corner and learn more about what other purchase costs there are when buying a home. Thanks and see you in the next video.